name is Dr. Kyle Murray. I am with Atlas Brain Spine in Upland, California, and we are a NUCCA Chiropractic office, which is a specialty of upper cervical chiropractic, and I'm one of the doctors there. One of the general themes within chiropractic is to expect miracles, right? Because you're now getting the body to function like it's supposed to, and you're allowing the body to heal like it's supposed to. And as that happens, then all kinds of things are gonna start to change for a patient that may have never changed before, and they weren't focusing on the root cause of it. So structural imbalance is gonna be huge. A nurse who had been dealing with headaches and extreme neck pain for about 6 months, maybe going on to a year. She was working with medical doctors. She was working with surgeons. Nobody could figure out really what was going on. And she's trying to take care of her patients that she's responsible for, trying to help out with all the procedures that she's responsible for, but then dealing with her own issues. And that's difficult. If you've ever had to care for somebody and you're not feeling well, it's really hard to provide good care for that person. She ended up coming in. We were able to get her exam done. She was a great candidate for care. We took the x-rays, had a really great first correction. And within that time, her head and neck came back up straight and immediately relief for her. And it was incredible. All this time, such severe issues and severe neck pain, severe headaches, and all of a sudden just to be gone, and for her to be able to go into function, it was overwhelming. Every time she came in, she was just super thankful. There was a couple times that she was crying and just gave me a hug, and then she ended up moving, and she has a traveling nursing job now, which is awesome. So she's able to take care of other people, and it was just really emotional for her because she had to leave the office, leave the care that she had found that really did help her, and then have to go and move now. That was really an emotional time, but really grateful for her. And it was just a really awesome memory I'll never forget because it was just amazing. I mean, talk about miracles, right? It was truly a miracle.